Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Canino and this is my Mazdaspeed 3 and I make car videos about it. So today we have a very basic, brief, short review, first impressions and install on an, I don't know what brand this is. We'll call it an eBay brand. Rear wing extension. Just goes on just like that. I got it used, shout out to Isaac, 25 bucks. Can't go wrong there. So we'll clean off that. I put new 3M tape all on the sides. You want both sides, so this and then this, two different strips because I ran out. But yeah, so I'm just going to basically stick it on and we'll do some before and after shots and go from there. But make sure that this is all cleaned off. There, boom, good. I've actually wanted one of these. I was thinking about getting one. I was gonna order one the other day, brand new. All of a sudden I was getting a short shift plate from Isaiah, just picking it up. It was a Cork Sport. I wasn't even expecting to get this, but he's like, hey, I have this if you want it, and I offered him 25 bucks. And yeah, basically done deal, now I have it. This is gonna be a process, so I'm gonna come back once this is, you know, taken care of. But yeah, 3M tape, that should not have taken that long. All right, sorry if it's a little windy guys, but I got the 3M tape off, and basically you just stick and here we go.